Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to the world of English literature. Today, I am going to teach a poem titled as Bangle Sellers. This is a poem that you need to learn and you need to understand it. It is a poem, it's a beautiful poem that is written by Sarojini Naidu. So, let's go through this particular poem. So the person who has written this particular poem is known as Sarojini Naidu. She is a great patriot, a freedom fighter, and a poet of modern India. So you must know about this particular person. She was born in Bengali family. She took part in national movement and was a follower of Gandhiji. Something about the background of this particular person. She is known as Nightingale of India, and her poems express the joys and sorrows of life. Her poetry includes children's poems, nature poems, patriotic poems, and poems of love and death. So what are her some of the famous poems? The Golden Threshold, The Bird of Time, The Broken Wing, The Sceptred Flute. So these are some of her famous poems that you need to understand. So coming to this particular poem titled as The Bangle Sellers. This poem is a folk song that expresses the values and virtues of Indian womanhood. She takes the bangles for the symbolic representation of the various stages in the life of an Indian woman. Which means she has taken the example of the bangles to say that every woman will pass through 3 stages in her life. That is the main theme of this particular poem. According to Sarojini Naidu, every woman passes through 3 stages in her life. One is the stage of being a maiden, bride, and middle-aged. Maiden means those women who are not yet married. Bride means it is the stage of getting married. Middle-aged means a time of being a matured woman or matured stage. And now she has taken different colors of bangles to express or to say that every woman will pass through 3 different stages. Unmarried girls or being a maiden, in that particular stage is expressed or represented by blue color bangles. Married woman, that particular stage is represented by yellow color bangles. Being a matured woman, that particular stage is represented by purple color bangles. So this is the main theme of this particular poem. There are 3 stages that every woman will pass through in her life. Being a maid, the time a woman gets married. Middle-aged time, which means the time when a woman has become a matured woman. So these are 3 stages, and she has taken 3 different colors to represent or to present the 3 different stages of a woman. So understand, this is the main concept that you need to understand. Now we'll take there are 4 stanzas, and we'll take the first 2 stanzas in today's class, and we'll end the poem in the coming class. So we are going through the first stanza. So I have underlined some words that may be new for you. So write down the word meaning in the textbook itself. Bangle sellers are we who bear our shining lords to the temple fair. Who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow-tainted colors of light, lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives. So I'll give you the word meaning now, then we'll go through the poem. Bear means carry. Lords, here lords meaning as the bangles. Delicate means easily broken, very fragile thing. Rainbow tainted means rainbow colored shining. Circles of light means here the meaning is bangles. Lustrous means shining. Tokens mean symbols. Radiant means very bright. let's go back to the first stanza. What does it mean? Bangle sellers are we, which means we are the bangle sellers. Bangle sellers means the people who are selling the bangles. We are the bangle sellers who bear means who carry our shining loads. What are the shining loads? Here the shining loads is the bundles of the bangles. Which means we are the bangle sellers who carry our bangles to wear to the temple fair. Why do they go to temple fair? Temple fair is a place where so many people will gather together, and that's a place where the bangle sellers can sell their bangles. That's the reason the bangle sellers are carrying their bangles to the temple fair. So they understand the meaning why they have got a temple fair is that temple fair, which means when there is a fair, so many people come together. So there is a temple fair, and the bangle sellers are carrying their bangles to the temple fair so that they can sell their bangles. Now next slide. Who will buy this delicate? Delicate means something that can be easily broken. So bangles, they can be easily broken. Bright. So these bangles are very delicate, very bright. Rainbow tinted circles of light means there are different colors of bangles. Rainbow tinted means rainbow contains so many colors. So the same way the bangles are very delicate, very bright, and they are of different colors. Lustrous tokens of radiant lives, and these bangles are representing, or they are the shining tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives, which means these bangles are mainly meant for the woman. So that's the meaning of the first stanza. So once again, we are the bangle sellers carrying the bangles to the temple fair. And why they have gone to a temple fair? Because temple fair is a place where so many people will come, and the bangle sellers can sell their bangles. And what are the specialities of these bangles? They are very delicate, can be easily broken, very bright, they are of different colors, and they are this luster, which means these bangles are meant for the happy daughters and the happy wives, which means these bangles are symbols of bright lives of the woman. I hope you have understood the first stanza. So kindly go through the word meaning once again, and we'll take the second stanza now. Some are meet for a maiden's wrist, silver and blue as a mountain mist. Some are flushed like the buds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. So let's go through the word meaning first. Meet here meaning is meant. Wrist means hand. Flushed means glowing, very bright. Tranquil means very quiet, very calm. Woodland stream means a stream near the woodland. Aglow means very radiant. Cleaves means very smooth. Maiden means unmarried woman. Mist, forming the mist. Buds, newly sprouted leaf. Brow means upper edge of a steep place. Blue means flowers. Limpid means clear or transparent. Now come to the second stanza. Some are meet, which means meant. Some are meant for the hands of maiden. Maiden means those women who are not yet married. So some bangles are meant for the hands of maiden. What are the colors? Silver and blue as the mountain mist. So what are the two colors? The colors are silver and blue color bangles are meant for the maiden. Like what? Like the mountain mist. In the early morning we can see the mist in the atmosphere. So this color, silver and blue, are the colors that are meant for the maiden, and they are like these two colors are compared to the mountain mist. Some are flushed. Some are flushed means glowing, like the buds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. So how are they compared? So this silver and blue color are compared to the mountain mist, and they are compared to the buds that are going to be bloomed where on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream, which means these colors are compared to the buds that are going to be bloomed near the woodland stream, or some are aglow. Aglow means radiant. Some are like the bloom that cleaves. Some are like the flowers that are blooming, or the flowers that the beautiful flowers that are there, or to the limpid glory of newborn leaves, or to compare to the newborn leaves. So these are the four things that are compared here. Silver and blue color are compared to the mountain mist. Second, they are compared to the buds that are going to be bloomed near the woodland stream, or compared to the beautiful flowers that are blooming there, the beautiful flowers that are growing there, or it is compared to the beautiful newborn leaves. I hope you have understood the first. So this is the first stage that every woman will pass through, the stage of being a maiden, and the two colors are silver and blue, compared to the mountain mist, or to the buds that are going to be bloom, or to the beautiful flowers, or to the newborn leaves. I hope you have understood the first two stanzas of this particular poem called The Bangle Sellers. We will continue in the next class. We will take the next two stanzas in the coming class.